Good morning, students. Today we will start with our new chapter number 4, that is division. The first question I will explain. 2,76,453 divided by 6 and written table of 6 for reference purpose. You should know the table of 6. So how you will do? You will write here 2,76,453 divided by 6. So in the table of 6, 27. When it comes in the table of 6, 27 doesn't come. So we'll take a smaller number from 27, smaller than 27. Which is smaller than 27? 24. 6 4s are 24. We will write here. Then what we will do? Subtract. 7 minus 4 is what? 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now what we will do? We will bring the next number down, that is 6. In the table of 6, when does the 36 come? 6 6 are 36. Now what we will do? We will subtract. 6 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. We will bring next number down, that is 4. In the table of 6, 4 doesn't come. So, and the smaller than 4, there is no number. So what we will write? 6 zeros are 0 minus 4 minus 0 is 4. Then we will bring next number down, that is 5. In the table of 6, when does the 45 come? In the table of 6, 45 doesn't come. So we will take a smaller number than 45, that is 42. 6 sevens are 42. Now we will subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 4 is 0. What we will bring down? 3. So in the table of 6, when does the 33 come? So the 33 doesn't come in table of 6. We will take a smaller number than 33, that is 30. 6 5s are 30. Okay. Now we will subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. In this way we will do the division. Now next question. 1,97,632 divided by 16. How we will do? Same procedure. If the number comes in the table of 16, we will write that. Otherwise, we will take a smaller number. Okay. In the table of 16, does 19 come? No. We will take a smaller number. Then 19, which is smaller than 19, that is 16. 16 ones are 16 minus 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. We will bring next number down. What is in the table of 16? Does 37 comes? No, but the smaller than 37 is what? 32. 16 2s are 32. Subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now what we will do? We will bring the next number down. Again we will see, does in the table of 16, 56 comes? No, smaller than 56 is what? 48. So 16 3s are 48. Subtract. 6 minus 8, can we subtract? No. So what we will do? We will take carry. We will cut 5 and write 4 and take the carry from 5. 5 becomes 4 and then 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now again we will bring the next number down. The next number is what? 3. So in the table of 16 again we will see, does 83 comes? No, 83 doesn't come. But the smaller number than 83 is what? 80. In the table of 16, 80 comes 5 times. 16 5s are 80 minus 3 minus 0 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. Again we will bring the next number down, that is 2. In the table of 16, when does the 32 comes? 2 times. So we will write 16 2s are 32 minus 3. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we will check also. Is the division that we have done is correct or wrong? Okay. So how we will check? Check. Dividend is equals to what? Check. we write dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, what is divisor? Means from which number we are dividing. From 16 we are dividing, so that is divisor. 16 is the divisor. What is the quotient here? Quotient is what? The number that the answer that we are getting. This is quotient. Okay, multiply by divisor, that is quotient, plus remainder. What is the remainder in this? Remainder is this number. This is what? Remainder. What is remainder? 0. This is remainder. Now we will multiply 16 multiply by 12,352 and then we will add 0 in that remainder. So how we will multiply? 1, 2, 3, 5, 2 multiply by 16. 16 to the 12, carry over 1, 6 by the 30, 30 plus 1 is 31, carry over 3, 6 3 the 18, 18 plus 3 is 21, carry over 2, 6 2 the 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 carry over 1, 6 1 the 6 plus 1 is 7, now we'll put 0, 1 2 za 2, 1 5 za 5, 1 3 za 3, 1 2 za 2, 1 1 za 1, now we'll add 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 5 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 1. So after multiplication of these numbers, what we get? 1, 9, 7, 6, 3, 2, add the remainder. When we add any number with 0, we will get the same number. This is equals to what? Dividend. What is dividend? This is the dividend that we got. So division is correct. In this way we can check. Again check is equals to dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is divisor? From which number we are dividing, that is 16. Multiply by quotient, the answer. Multiply the remainder. Remainder means at the last what we are getting, that we are getting 0. Now next question. 3,575 divided by 1,000. So you will write 3,575 here and 1,000 here. The table of 1,000, 1,000 3s are 3,000. We will write it like this. Subtract 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 7 is 7 minus 0 is 7, 5 minus 0 is 5, 3 minus 3 is. So how you write the answer? That is quotient is equals to 3, remainder is equals to 5, 7, 5. Okay, next question. 16,48,600 divided by 100. 100 ones are 100 minus 4 minus 0 is 4, 6 minus 0 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. You bring the next number down, 8. Now what you will get? 100. What is there? 648. So in the table of 100, 648 doesn't come, but smaller than 648 is what? 600. 100, 6 600 minus 8 minus 0 is 8. 4 minus 0 is 4, 6 minus 6 is 0. Next number, bring down, that is 6. So, in the table of 100, 486 comes? No, smaller than 486 is what? 400. So, 100 4s are 400. Subtract 6 minus 0, 6, 8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 4 is 0. Again, we will bring the next number down. So what we will write? 100, 8 are 800. Subtract 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, 8 minus 8 is 0. We bring next number down. In the table of 100, when does the 600 come? 6 times 100 6 are 600. Now what we will do? Subtract 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0. Now we will write the answer. What is the answer? Quotient is equals to 16486. What is the remainder? That is the remainder is 0. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. Divisor, that is I told, if you have asked to check, divisor is what? 100. We'll do the next question. 4,92,633 divided by 14. I have written the table of 14 for reference purpose. You should learn the table of 14. So how you write 4,92,633 divided by 14. Now we'll check, is this number there in the table of 14? 49 is there? No. What is smaller than 49? 42. So 14 means 42. Subtract 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 4 is 0. What we'll do next? We'll bring the next number down after subtraction. That is 2. Is in the table of 14 72 is there? No. What is smaller than 72? 70. 14 5 are 70. Now what we will do? Subtract 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 7 is 0. What next? After subtraction, bring the next number down. Now we will see, is in the table of 14 26 is there? If it is not there, we will write the smaller number. That is 26 is not there. Smaller than 26 is what? 14. So 14 ones are 14. Now what we will do? Subtract 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. What next? Bring the next number down. Now again we will see in the table of 14, 123 comes? No. 126 greater than 123 is 126. We can't write this, but we have to write the smaller number. So smaller number is 112. How many times? 8 times. 112. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. What we have done? Subtraction. We'll bring the next number down. That is 3. When the table of 14, 113 is there? No. Smaller than 113 is 112. How many times? 8 times 112. Subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. This is your remainder. This is your quotient. This is your dividend. And this is your divisor. When you have to check, we all need these things. So you should know what is divisor. This is divisor. This is dividend. This is quotient. That is your answer. And this is remainder. Okay. Now we will do the next question. That is 5,08,693 divided by 13. Again I have written the table of 13 for different purpose. How you will write? 5,08,693 divided by 13. So we take two numbers, 50. In the table of 13, 50 comes? No. Smaller than 50 is what? 39. And how many times? 3 times. 13 these are 39. Now we will subtract. 0 minus 9 can be subtract? No. For that we have to take what? Borrow. Okay. 5 will become 4 and then 1 will become 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. What will bring down? 8. Okay. In the table of 13, does 118 comes? No. 117 comes. Smaller than 118 is 117. How many times? 9 times 217. 13 9s are 117. Now we'll subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what will bring down? 6. In the table of 13, 16 comes? No. What will take smaller than 16 is 13. 13 ones are 13. 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. What we will bring down? 9. The table of 13, when does the 39 come? 3 times. 13 3s are 39. Subtract 9 minus 9 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. Now what we will bring down? 3. Does in the table of 13 3 comes? No. What will we write? 13 zeros are 0 minus 3 minus 0 is 3. Now what we will do? We will check this sum. How we will check? What is the formula for checking? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is divisor? I have told you. All 13 is the divisor, the number from which we are dividing. Quotient means the answer that we are getting 3913 0 plus remainder. Remainder, what is left here? 3. So we will add 3. First we multiply these two numbers. Multiply by 13. How you multiply? 3 will multiply by all the numbers. 3 zeros are 0. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 9s are 27. Carry over 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Now what we will do? We put 1 0. This one you have to multiply by all the numbers on the top. 1 zeros are 0. 1 3s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 1 9s are 9. And 1 3s are 3. Now we will add 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry over 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 5. Okay. Now we write here. Plus 3. Okay. Now we will add this plus 3. 0 plus 3 is 3, 9, 6, 8, 0, 5. 5 lakh 8,693. What is dividend? Same 5 lakh. We have done the division. Right. Okay. And this will be checked. Now we will start with the story sums. First story sum is how many weeks do 5,117 days make? So how we will do the solution? For weeks they are asking. So in 1 week how many days are there? 7 days. Okay. So we have to find in 5,117 days how many weeks are there. 5,117 days we have to divide. Okay. 7 sevens are 49. Okay. Subtract. What will take? 1 minus 9 you can't subtract. We will take the borrow from 5. 5 becomes 4 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. What will bring down? 1. In the table of 7, when does the 21 come? 7 3s are 21. Now we will subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now we will bring 7 down. In the table of 7, when does the 7 come? 7 1s are 7. Okay. So in 5,117 days, how many weeks are there? 731 weeks are there. Okay, now we will move on to the next question. That is question number 2. What is the question? If 18 wall clock costs rupees 23,328 rupees, what is the cost of 1 wall clock? In multiplication, I told you that if more is asked, if 1 is given and you have to find the cost of more, what will do? Multiply. But now here it is given, for more it is given and we have to find for 1. So for 1, what we will do? Divide. Okay. How to write the solution? First we will write the statement. Cost of 18 wall clock is rupees how much? 23,328 rupees. We have to find the cost of one. If one is written, each is written in a question, what we have to do? Divide. Cost of one wall clock. Okay, how will find? We will divide. So, divided by 18. So now for cost of one wall clock is how much? So what we will do? Divide 23,328 divided by 18. So in the table of 18 does 23 comes? No, the smaller than 23 is 18. 18 ones are 18. Subtract 3 minus 8 is, can you subtract? No, we'll take the borrow. Okay, how will take the borrow? 2 will be cancelled, it will become 1 and it will give borrow to 13. So 13 minus 8 is what? 5 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Now what we will bring down? 3. Okay, in the table of 18 plus 53 comes? No, smaller than 53 is 36. So 18 2s are 36. 3 minus 6 is, we can't subtract, we will take the borrow. 5 will become 4, 3 will become 13, 13 minus 6 is 7, 4 minus 3 is 1. We will bring the next number down, that is 2. In the table of 18 does 172 comes? No, smaller than 172 is what? 162. 18 9s are 162. Subtract 2 minus 2 is 0, 10 minus 6 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring the next number down. 8. In the table of 18, when does 108 come? 6 times 18 6 are 108. Subtract 0. Write the answer. Cost of one wall clock is rupees how much? 1,290. Next question, third story sums. 4,096 dolls were packed in 32 parcels. How many dolls are there in each? So I told you for one and each, what you have to do? You have to divide. Now for this question I am not writing the statement, only I am doing how to divide. Okay, statement you will write by your own. So 4,096 divided by 32. So in the table of 32 does 40 comes? No. So what will write smaller than 40 is 32. 32 comes in the table of 32 is 1 time. 32 ones are 32. Now what is the next step? That is subtraction. So we'll subtract. Can we subtract 0 from 2? No. What will take? Borrow. So 4 will become what? 3 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 2 is what? 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. What we will bring down? Next number, that is 9. Okay, 32 2s are 64 and 32 3s are is 96. So 96 is bigger, so we'll take the smaller number, that is 32 2s are 64. Okay, now we'll subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5, 8 minus 6 is 2. We'll bring the next number down. Okay, now we'll have to find the table of 32. Does 256 come? So you can also find by multiplying, like 32 multiply by 8. 8 to the 16, carry over 1. 3 is 24, 24 plus 1 is 25. So in the table of 32, when does 256 comes? 8 times 32 8s are 256. Now we will subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 5 0, 2 minus 2 is 3. So in each parcel, how many dolls you can pack? 128. So how you will write? 128 dolls can be packed in one parcel. Okay. Next question. The annual salary of Mr. Dashing Dragon is rupees 21,708. Find his salary for 1 month. Again, 1 is given. You have to find for 1 month. For what 1 we have to divide. Okay. How you will divide? 21,708 divided by how much? For 1, how many months are there in a year? Annual salary. Annual means for 1 year. Annual means year, for 1 year. How many? In 1 year, how many months are there? 12. So what we will do? Divided by 12. 1 year is equals to 12 months. Okay? You know the table of 12. How you will do? 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 24 will be greater than 21. We have to take 1 time only. 12 ones are 12. Next step, subtraction. Okay. Now what we will do? Subtract. So how you will subtract? 1 minus 2 can we subtract? No. What we have to do? Borrow. We will take the borrow from 2. 2 will become 1 and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now next step. Till now you have understood how to divide. Next step means we have to bring 7 down. Okay. In the table of 12, does 97 come? No. Smaller than 97 is 12 8s are 96. Now we will subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now next step. What will be the next step? You have to bring the next number down after subtraction. Next number what will bring down? 0. This will become 10. In the 10 is smaller than 12. So we can't write. 10 doesn't come in the table of 12. So what we will write? 0. 12 zeros are 0. 10 minus 0 is 10 only. Now what will bring down? 8. Okay. So in the table of 8, when does 108 comes? That is, you all know. The table of 12, that is 12 lines are 108. Subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. So the salary is for 1 month is answer. Salary of 1 month is how much? Rupees 1,810. Okay students, chapter 4 division is completed. Hope you have understood how to do division. Practice daily multiplication, division. Complete your work. Thank you.